It's all empty, but they have a bunch of. Alrighty, guys, it's been years. Oh shit, my camera. But I'm here with my boy Tommy.
What's up? What's up?
Oh fuck, your camera's over. Alright, we're also here with our buddy Brian Daniel. What's up? My new channel. I'm gonna start doing this. My buddy right here, Tommy, agrees that he's gonna be my explorer buddy.
Yep.
So we've been doing explorations all around, maybe Florida. But for our first one, we found this abandoned barn. So we're gonna go for it.
It's my beating stick. You should have pulled your car like up there.
What?
So then no one can see it outside the roads.
Pull up. Actually, didn't know. I'll do it. Alrighty. See what we can find. There's a bunch of graffitis everywhere. Hey, we had a spray paint. Ooh, look inside.
I wonder who knocked down these doors. Like, these are humongous.
Look at that behind you. This be a good photo right here.
Takes some skill.
Mm-hmm.
The octopus too starts off.
Yeah, look at that.
I know what I'm gonna do to win Jess back. I'm take her here and write Brian plus Jess. She'll be creeped out, but it might win her back.
There's caution tapes too.
If you can't hang, there's the
There's
door.
a bunch of
Glass.
there's shit everywhere here. I'm guessing this is the stable. I'm guessing this was a horse farm.
And I'm guessing this is where somebody slept.
Oh, that's weird. Oh shit, there's clothes everywhere. Hey Brian, don't you need like pants?
You need
Go on the
coffee?
trip. There's pants there. Might be your size.
What about some pineapple? Oh, that's tea.
This is like
Tell me, there's a hat. Where?
yo, what the hell?
Yeah.
It's like a little diary here. That's weird. What if there's people living here?
I wouldn't run into it. What if there's a dead body?
Oh, fuck, don't say that. I don't want to be like Logan Paul.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be the new Logan Paul. If you guys
Oh, this one's nice.
oh yeah, this is like a stable.
This is nice. Hey, why don't they
This
choose
low-key-
this room to sleep in?
This low-key looks like a jail cell.
But it's always
Oh shit, you looking at this? Oh fuck.
Alright, let's go around and go look at that one.
Oh fuck. You can't go around?
No.
Let's just go back around. Here we enter.
I didn't want to walk through the same room. I wasn't sure which way to go.
If you guys are living in the Florida area, tell us if you guys know any more locations. Like, I'm serious. If you guys know any more, hit me up on Instagram or something.
I'm gonna look on this side.
It says J or IH.
Oh, that's a lot of wood. Tell me, this is how I feel when we wake up. Woody. Don't say we. No, we. You dig?
And it's all empty. But they have a bunch of.
Kidding, guys. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Can't go that way either.
Huh? Oh. It's empty, stupid.
Yeah, it's what you're.
This abandoned farm is actually right in front of the
She never looked
interstate.
back. She looked back.
It's like someone tried to get out.
Bunch of horses. I don't think you should vandalize if it been vandalized before.
Oh, I mentioned a pineapple earlier. Where the fuck did this come from? Someone just had a full pineapple here while they were doing some graffiti. And they fucking made it fruit.
Yo,
This is creepy as fuck.
this art is so amazing here.
Yeah. For sure.
That was more fucking telling.
But Brian, that's fresh. Someone's here.
So nasty.
I feel
It
like
is
people.
fresh though. What happened?
He threw it.
Oh.
I just threw it. I shouldn't have, but I
It
did.
smells like fucking beer pits.
Oh, I like this writing. Big Cock Farms.
I look.
Oh yeah.
Big Cock Farms.
Why is this so close?
Hey, look, a pentagram.
This is exactly why.
There's a pentagram right here in this table.
Why is this so close?
Hold up, come here. That's the room that has the glass. Hold up, wait out, wait out.
There's a pentagram right there in the.
Oh, it does.
No. I want to come back here at night.
Alright, so this one, the door was closed, and we could see through the glass. This one's actually a room.
Yeah, this is like an office most likely.
Not
Another,
anymore.
another book, Adolf Hitler. Oh, that's dope.
It's Hitler?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Damn. What if someone is living here and they're not even here yet?
Well, I guess we'll meet him later. Should we leave a note? What does it say?
I don't know.
It says,
You
Alive.
bought no honey?
you something bought ticket.
A huge man.
No
somewhere.
turning. No turning, Tommy.
And these people have.
How am I
beef
gonna
with
back
them.
out the room if I can't check?
Oh,
Oh, snap.
What did that say? What did that say to your right?
Yeah.
There's back what? There's
Don't.
back low?
There's back now. It's back. It's their back now. I don't know.
This is weird.
This is a weird spot. I didn't see this one.
I got just hold up my sport shit.
It is a mess too, and there's stuff everywhere.
Sorry guys, the jiggy's up. This is where I sleep tonight.
There's more books. I feel like people do live here.
They need to get some organization.
We already checked that side.
That's a big
No, we haven't
dick.
checked that side.
Holy shit.
Oh, I haven't checked this room yet. Oh, yeah, I checked this room. Another pentagram.
I mean, we could go around, but I'm going to go. Wait, there's another pentagram?
Another one in the middle. Live for today. I don't know. Brian, you might be right. This place is kind of weird. Knock first. You're supposed to knock first, stupid.
I'm sorry. We're coming in.
Nothing is worth more.
I can't say that on TV. Damn, they hate Ocala.
That's what it says.
That's
Not
so
for
weird. Class of 2019 says someone young.
Nothing.
You know, I bet.
Hey, I graduated that year, guys. And he dropped out.
Oh, whoa.
Whoa, that's raw.
This looks like something Chris, you came here earlier and did your magic shit in here.
I don't know, but this room is
Bro.
kind of weird. Oh, damn. Oh, someone fell in love in this building.
I feel like if we dug under this shit, we'd find a dead body somewhere. I guarantee you there's one in here. Hey, Chris, fuck off.
Damn, I did not have to blur that out. I wanted it to be a clean video.
And the eye of the beholder.
Okay, this is on weird shit now.
Wings faded. That's a raw writing, though. Whoever wrote that?
Yeah.
Raw. We need to design Chris's new t-shirt.
It's the
Hey,
glass.
that glass on my foot.
Oh, snap. This one's got a lot. Good growth, bad habits.
Oh, but then you go.
Hey, Tommy, come here.
Don't fucking stab it. Oh, shit.
This man.
Hey! King's gone wild.
Oh, they love X here.
Yeah.
No, I think that's a porn symbol.
Kill. Oh.
People change.
No,
Even
this-
Satan used to be an angel. Whoa.
I'm telling you, this. That looks like a bone, or that looks like a stick. It's a tree bone.
It looks like someone had Thanksgiving here.
Yeah, that's a stick figure.
Hey, Tommy, come here.
What the hell is that glass?
Beer.
Beer can. Chris?
Yeah, I did something.
You broke it. That's what you did.
Yeah, man. We're just trying to clean up the environment.
Nigga, do you see this place?
Ignore these people. Don't. Yeah, just don't be like these people over here. Don't be breaking stuff and
You know what?
acting gay.
Never again.
Oh, we're leaving now. We're not gonna memorize how that thing looks over there. This big ass shit.
I'm
Time to go take a picture. Go stay right next and take a picture of it.
Yeah.
Tell me you want me to take a picture. Post it on Instagram.
I mean, this shit is raw.
Guys, we're about to leave.
How weak can you
Oh
get-
shit!
How weak can you get back?
All right, we're done with this place. This place was nice. If you guys want us to come at night, we can do it. Oh, okay, Tommy. Oh, do it again. I didn't record that.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you guys wanted to come back at night, tell us. We'll do it. I feel like there's more shit over there.
That's what I'm saying.
There's a road.
path.
Wanna go through it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Ryan, we ain't done.
Alrighty, we're not done yet. We found a road.
It goes on through here.
We don't know what this leads, but we found something. Ooh, a couch.
Yeah.
I think Brian needs a couch.
Someone's got to stay comfy out here.
Alright.
Well, the concrete road just ends to here. There's another couch.
Oh shit, another
Yeah.
couch.
They had a family reunion out here.
I don't know, this looks...
Oh, it still goes on.
Does it? The road still goes on?
Yeah, right there.
Oh shit, it does.
I wonder how old this is.
I don't know. It might be old. Like I said, since I was 10, I was passed by this street, and I always see it. So it is old.
Is this one of those old bubble toys?
Yeah, I think so. Whatever this place is, it's just trash.
I like the trees.
Actually, I think it's like a... Hold on, I'm gonna keep going.
Alright. How dark is this?
Don't break your leg.
That's the fun part.
No, it isn't, because then I have to pay for the insurance.
Oh no, this is dirt. No, it's not. This is concrete. You got any patents out here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh, the fence. Oh shit.
Get a lighter. Someone
There's a
Grab
fence over
spider.
there too. What if this whole place was like the barn area where they kept the horses and they walked them here and then put them out in the barn probably? Cause I mean that's what I'm saying. I mean I am Mexican, so we work at the farm, so we should know what I'm talking about.
What is that, not full? No, no, the road.
Alright.
I thought it was this little pretty cool to like fill up.
Alright.
Just for the stand.
Alright, there's really nothing besides all that.
Brian's in the car because he's kind of scared, but no blame.
No blame. I don't blame him.
I wouldn't want a freaking mongoose coming through the woods at me.
Dude,
Like, this is Florida. We don't even have
Yeah.
mongooses.
but think about it, that'd be some good content.
Getting ran by a fucking raccoon.
Look where I'm stepping on right now just to get out of here. Oh. Hey, guys.
If we were to start screaming, Brian would fucking probably pull your car out.
Not the keys. If you guys want a free couch, there's a couch over here. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. Just find it.
You already did at the beginning of the video.
Yeah, I think I did. We're in an old barn and on the interstate.
We made it. Mattresses down there and old couches.
Well, I know when I move out where I'm coming.
Your mom's house?
No, to get mattresses.
Alright.